Welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix most commonly occurring Dolby Atmos volume issues on your OnePlus 15R smartphone. To quickly repair your Dolby Atmos settings, you have to go to the settings on your smartphone, then open sound and vibration, and then scroll down to your Holo, to your sound effect settings. Now here select the current device at the top of this menu, and then select a different profile. By default, this smart profile is enabled, which will automatically switch profiles depending on which kind of media you are consuming right now. And besides manually changing the mode, we can also enable or disable Holo audio, which may also cause some issues with volume quality. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.